Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to easily fix Valorant error code VAN185 with some quick and effective steps. This error is usually caused by network instability or Riot client connection issues. First, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh your connection. Next, close Valorant and the Riot client completely from the system tray, then reopen the Riot client as administrator. After that, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, and avoid using VPN or proxy because it can trigger this error. Now, open Services on your PC and ensure the VGC service is running. If it's stopped, start it and set it to automatic. Also, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add Valorant to the exceptions list. If the issue still continues, try logging out and back in to your Riot account. Finally, restart your PC again and launch the game, and the VAN185 error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.